Let me ask you a few questions. Do you identify yourself as someone who delivers value, is wealthy, is healthy, is ambitious? We all have thoughts about ourselves that run the gamut from positive to negative. I'm sure some of these sound familiar traits that we are all proud of, skills that we possess, insecurities we obsess over, deficiencies we worry about. When you add all of these together, they become your personal identity. The way you think of yourself, and that, my friend, is a very powerful thing. Here is why. Your identity determines your belief, and your belief determines your behavior. When your identity is out of alignment with your goals, you are never going to take the actions needed to achieve those goals. So how do we fix that? How do we make that shift? I have got 3 tips for you today to shift your identity and change your life. Hey, this is Saeed Mohsen, a residential real estate broker and a team owner and founder here at Real Estate Sales Machine Academy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe below to get more insights on how to grow your real estate business. So identity shifting method number 1, proximity. They say you become like the 5 people you spend most of your time with. So that begs the question, how close are you to the type of people you want to be? Who you spend your time with absolutely matters. You need to model your behaviors around the type of people you want to emulate and then grow into those behaviors, becoming automatic part of you every single day, your daily routine. Identity shifting method number 2, pick small tasks and document your wins. If you truly want to shift your identity, you want to help yourself gain momentum. By breaking strategies down into small tasks, you are able to start making headway almost immediately. Then you start documenting your wins. Every time you check off a completed task, you are forging your identity as someone who does what you say you're going to do. I get things done. I follow through. I make my phone calls. I go to the gym. Starting with the small tasks allows you to feel your wins and start building momentum. Remember Jim Rohn's words of wisdom. The things required to achieve the greatest things in life are both easy to do and easy not to do. Identity shifting method number 3, work on your confidence every day. So many people have so much potential, but some crumble under pressure, or worse yet, they never try. They don't take action. When you have confidence, you act boldly to achieve your dreams. Here are 6 actions to up your confidence. Number 1, get in the gym. It's unbelievable how much this will shift your identity. Number 2, change the way you walk. Stand taller. Put a smile on your face. Number 3, watch your self-talk. You become what you think about. Number 4, visualization. Close your eyes and envision where you want to be. Number 5, role playing. People who don't role play scare me. When you practice, you build your confidence. And number 6, make your calls or learn to live with less income. Let me know how you're going to shift your identity and change your life below. I can't wait to read your comments. As always, if you find this content useful, like and follow my channel and check out my other videos for more insights to grow your real estate business.